In today's video, we're diving into how you can start earning commissions with the GetResponse affiliate program and how you can leverage its tools to your advantage. Stick around till the end, because while GetResponse is a solid option, I'm also going to share some exclusive offers and alternatives that might be better suited for your affiliate marketing goals. First up, let's talk about what GetResponse actually offers. GetResponse is an email marketing and automation platform, and their affiliate program lets you earn commissions by promoting their services. The best part? You don't need to be an expert to get started. With GetResponse's easy-to-use interface, you can create effective campaigns that bring in the cash once you refer people who sign up for their plans. Next thing, let's talk about their affiliate payout structure. GetResponse uses a recurring commission model, meaning you earn money every month as long as your referrals stay subscribed. This is great because it gives you a steady stream of passive income. They offer up to 33% recurring commissions, which is pretty generous compared to other programs. But keep in mind, you'll need to keep your referrals engaged, as lapsed accounts won't earn you any more money. The fourth thing is their affiliate resources. One of the things I really like about GetResponse is that they provide affiliates with a lot of support. You get access to banners, email templates, and even promotional videos to help you make your marketing efforts more effective. But here's the catch: while GetResponse's resources are decent, the customization options could use a bit of improvement. Some of the other affiliate programs out there give you more flexibility in how you promote. Next, let's talk about tracking and reporting. GetResponse offers a fairly solid affiliate dashboard with real-time analytics. This makes it easy to track your referrals and see how much you're earning. However, if you're someone who needs very detailed reports or advanced tracking features, you might find GetResponse's tools lacking compared to other affiliate programs. They could definitely do more in that area. The sixth thing is that GetResponse has a strong customer base, especially among small business owners and marketers. That means, if you're targeting the right audience, there's a good chance you'll find people who will benefit from the platform and sign up through your link. But you should be aware that it's quite competitive. Many affiliates are promoting the same product, so you'll need to stand out. Now, the part you've been waiting for: how to maximize your earnings from the GetResponse affiliate program. To really succeed, focus on targeting people who are looking for email marketing solutions. Create content that highlights how GetResponse helps businesses with automation, email campaigns, and lead generation. Share success stories, use your unique referral link, and provide honest reviews to build trust with your audience. But here's the twist: while GetResponse does offer some good features, if you're looking for an affiliate program with even better earning potential and advanced features for your audience, you might want to consider other options. I'm talking about platforms that offer better customization, higher commissions, and more powerful tools for both marketers and affiliates alike. So, here's what you can do right now. In the description, you'll find an exclusive extended free trial for GetResponse. But before you click, I've also listed a few alternatives that, in my opinion, are better suited for those of you focused on growing a long-term, successful affiliate business. These alternatives come with free trials too and offer you great affiliate commissions, so make sure to check them out. Through our link, you'll get access to the best deals and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Whether you go with GetResponse or explore other options, remember that affiliate marketing is about providing value and finding the best tools for your audience. Don't miss out on these opportunities to grow your affiliate commissions.